Here's a major development. Congressman Santos, he's been the target of numerous investigations into his personal and campaign finances ever since his background has shown a web of lies and exaggerations. Reports are out tonight that the U.S. Attorney in Brooklyn has now filed criminal charges against the disgraced congressman. Congressman Santos could be in federal court as early as tomorrow, when details of the charges against him will be unsealed. The U.S. Attorney in Brooklyn has been investigating Santos for months, looking into his business and campaign fundraising dealings. Former prosecutor Imran Ansari believes the federal charges will be centering around that.
Although we don't know what the charges are yet, I do believe that they're going to be related to campaign finance issues and perhaps some of the lack of credibility that we know that George Santos has been accused of.
The 34-year-old Republican congressman has been under intense scrutiny ever since he was caught in a string of lies and fabrications about his biography, his education, his employment. He has since admitted falsifying much of his resume. He was elected in November to a district that includes parts of Long Island and Queens. Santos, a Republican, has resisted calls from many of his House colleagues to resign. New York Congressman Richie Torres adding his voice to that call, noting in a statement, the criminal prosecution of Representative George Santos is long overdue. He's a pathological liar and lawbreaker who lied to the voters of New York and defrauded his way into the United States Congress. Torres says Santos should resign or be expelled from Congress. The Democratic Congressional Campaign Committee, also calling for his removal, said in a statement, voters on Long Island are more than ready to see George Santos to be held accountable for his seemingly endless list of lies, unethical behavior, and alleged crimes. Even if Santos is charged with a crime, the Constitution does not require him to step down. Political analyst Basil Smikle says his fellow Republicans, though, can force him to resign.
Speaker McCarthy is going to have to make a very quick decision about whether or not he wants to keep Congressmember Santos in the chamber.
McCarthy has previously said he'd look at the charges before determining if he thinks Santos should be expelled. Already, about a dozen Republicans have joined Democrats in demanding Santos resign. Announcement of the federal indictment has now opened a floodgate of new demands for Santos to step down. He's already stated that he's not going anywhere, even recently announced his intention to seek re-election. Santos has not responded to requests for comment to the reports of the indictment he's about to be served, and the U.S. Attorney in Brooklyn has remained silent as well.